Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Miracle of bamboo wood.
Good morning and welcome to CSIR AMPRI Bhopal. We are developing new materials for the future or the materials for very specific purpose. Today I will introduce a new material, bamboo composite, a new material, aesthetically very good material, strong and beautiful material. And this material can be utilized in the modern housing of the future. The question is, why? Let us share some global trends. As per an estimate, 2 billion people would shift to the urban areas in the next 30 years. They would require housing, schools, college, hospitals, etc. So if you want to fulfill the desire of those, then you need lot of conventional materials of construction. Mainly steel and concrete is used. Wood and plastic is also used in that. In case of steel, each tons of the steel to be produced, you are generating almost 1.85 tons of carbon dioxide. Similar is the case with the cement. When you are producing 1 ton of the cement, you are producing almost to 1 ton of carbon dioxide. This will adversely affect our earth, and that is why alternative may be there. So what are the alternative? Wood may be a very good alternative, but that harvest cycle is very long. It takes 30 to 70 years. So conditions compel us to find an alternative sources. Another gift of the nature is bamboo. It's very strong and interestingly has very special properties. Some of the species may grow almost 1 meter a day. So we can utilize this wonderful gift of the nature for creating products. The products would be similar to wood. As compared to wood, harvest cycle is 10 times faster. The harvest cycle is a major decision factor in shifting from bamboo to bamboo composite. Why bamboo composite? Why not bamboo itself? Actually, it is the culprit is shape of the bamboo which doesn't suit to modern techniques of assembling which is required for construction of buildings as well as structure. And that is why bamboo composite can be obtained in the desired shape and in the form, so that buildings can be constructed very easily. As far technology is concerned, technology of manufacturing bamboo wood developed by CSIR AMPRI has several steps that include cutting of bamboo poles to desired sizes, removal of knots, splitting to strips, chemical treatment for protection against microbial attack and natural degradation, its conversion to long fibrous form without damaging the natural strength of bamboo fiber. Then coating of adequate prepolymer followed by a compaction under heat and pressure to form a desired shape, which is adequate to be used as a standard practice of material of construction, and that can be converted further for the different application. The final shape may be a molded article, plain sheet, thick board, beam, etc. I invite you to contribute your innovative ideas so that we can go simultaneously in the technology development as well as we can save our planet.
Our team is continuously working to create a scientific temper in schools. We have organized different activities under CSIR Jigyasa program. We are committed to ensure that these initiatives serve as a motivational guidance for the present students to become future scientists and serve the nation.
And by doing this, we are going to generate a large number of employment in the country. We are going to develop skill, and even less educated people can be employed, because you need large number of people in the cultivation and is the transport and then in the industry at various levels. So you need even less number of educated people can be employed and large number of employment can be generated. And since it will be our technology, I am sure it will be cheaper than the teak wood and the world trade will also increase. So that is the miracle of bamboo. Thank you.
Inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a new India, having scientific temperament, Jigyasa is an initiative taken up by CSIR at national level for further widening and deepening its scientific social responsibility, that is SSR. Programs under Jigyasa motivate students to know more about the benefits, usage and career opportunities in science field.